Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The fictitious 2026 Kenworth Metropolitan Motorhome elevates the idea of the big on the inside but small on the outside leisure vehicle to a previously unheard-of level of complexity. By skillfully combining a surprisingly roomy interior with a small external footprint, this super-futuristic marvel seeks to reinvent mobile living. Kenworth's strong engineering tradition is used to build an RV that is shockingly spacious and incredibly agile. Intelligent, simple aesthetics would be evident in the Metropolitan's exterior design. It would probably have a sleek, nearly sculptural form, eschewing the frequently monolithic appearance of typical motorhomes and focusing on integrated components and clean lines to reduce apparent mass. Its sleek design would be enhanced by sophisticated lightweight materials and perhaps even mild adaptive aerodynamics. Compared to traditional huge RVs, the outside dimensions would be smartly confined, making it easier to navigate through urban situations, tighter campsites, and narrow highways. With clever, concealed compartments and possibly even integrated, deployable awnings or extensions that blend in with the vehicle's exterior, every inch of its ostensibly modest size would be maximized for external function. The interior of the Kenworth Metropolitan, where creative spatial engineering produces an incredible sense of spaciousness and versatility, is the real wonder. This amazing setup would be accomplished by combining several innovative design concepts. The Metropolitan would use dynamic, multipurpose wall and furniture systems in place of permanent partitions. Imagine rooms that can be turned into sleeping quarters at the push of a button, tables that can be lowered into the floor, and modular seating that can be used for anything from dining to relaxing. Making smart use of vertical space would be essential. This might include sleeping berths with many levels, ingenious storage options built into the floor or ceiling, and perhaps even a small, retractable stairway that leads to a loft-style space. From clever cabinetry that optimizes capacity without intruding on living areas to concealed compartments in the floor, every available space would be converted for storage. Items would be safe and hidden thanks to specially made, fitted containers. An airy feel might be produced by lightweight, strong materials, which are frequently used in boat or aeronautical design. The perception of space would be improved and residents would feel more connected to the outside world if ambient and task lighting were strategically used in conjunction with large, strategically positioned windows or even virtual window displays. All internal operations, including lighting, climate, entertainment, and water systems, would be managed by a central control system, which is frequently reachable by voice command or a stylish touchscreen interface. This technological connection would make life easier and let the interior design change smoothly. The Kenworth chassis would serve as the basis for a dependable and surprisingly nimble driving experience beneath this avant-garde design. Despite having a smaller overall footprint, it would still have the strong construction and cutting-edge drivetrain that Kenworth is known for, guaranteeing comfortable long-distance driving and confident handling. The 2026 Kenworth Metropolitan Motorhome would serve as evidence that clever design, places that morph, and an unmatched user experience are more important components of true luxury in a mobile setting than sheer size.